Hey y'all, wasn't that just the cutest intro ever? Look at her, she is just so cute. But to begin this hairstyle, I'm going to section the hair off from ear to ear, and then I'm going to moisturize her hair. Now you guys know I'm a big fan of the lock method, which I use a liquid or oil and then a cream. So now I'm just going to work the products in her hair, massage it from root to ends, and just make sure her hair is fully coated before braiding. And all of the products that I use today in this video will be listed down in the description box below. So now that her hair is fully moisturized, I'm going to begin to part her hair for some basic cornrows. I'm just going to cornrow them going straight up. That's it. I do apply some edge control to the braids to make it look a little bit neater. And that's it. After I complete the whole back section of her hair, then we will move on to the next step. Okay, now we're just going to work on the front section, and I'm just going to part her hair straight down the middle, and I'm just going to make 2 ponytails. That's it. We're keeping it real simple and basic in this hairstyle today. So after I make the sections, I go ahead and moisturize her hair. Make sure you moisturize your hair before doing any hairstyle, you guys. You want to protect your hair while in a protective style. So I'm just going to apply some edge control, and I go ahead and brush that through so that her ponytail can look really sleek. And then I'm going to take the braids and I'm going to add them into the ponytail, and that's it. That's it for that part of the style. Once I make the ponytail, I just make sure that it's nice and secure, but it's not too tight so you don't cause tension on the hair. And then once I have the ponytail, I begin to 2-strand twist the hair, and then I'm going to put the 2-strand twist into a bun. Okay, now that we have her buns, it's time to install the hair. The hair that I will be using will be listed down in the description box below. And I will be using the braidless crochet method to install the hair. This method is very easy to do. I'm just going to insert the crochet needle through her bun, pull the hair through, double knot it, and that's it. I'm going to complete those steps on each side of her hair until this hairstyle is complete. ready?
I look like a clown.
No, I'm not going to leave it that long, so you don't look like a clown.
Okay.
It's starting to look better? You ready for your first day of school?
Yeah.
Are you going to cry for me?
No.
Why are you so mean to your mommy?
And that. This one looks like a clown.
This one look like a clown?
That one.
Here's the final look, you guys. She is so cute. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, drop them down below. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. As always, I thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.